Today we're going to open and see what's inside this box. You might think it's a Rustler, but there's more cars. Let's go. This is what we got. Now let's tell the names of them. So this is Rock Crawler, and you know this is Rustler. But now this is a pickup truck, but it has big wheels. So I would say pickup truck, monster truck. And here's the remote from like Crush MT, which is already broken, and the front tires are not working very well. And this is from the Forza. We don't use it anymore. And the battery's out. And we don't play with that. We play with this big of Traxxas RC car we have. Guys, this is Traxxas RC and remote. And this is the body part of Traxxas RC. And there's a screw. And here is the green Rustler. And here is the battery. And also the plug to charge inside your house for this battery. Also inside the car.